Types of gearbox. There are many types of gearboxes divided into two main areas: vehicle transmissions and industrial mechanical designs. The primary vehicle types are manual, automatic, CVT, and DCT, while the primary industrial types are helical, planetary, and worm gearboxes. Vehicle gearbox types. Manual. Driver shifts gears using a clutch pedal and stick shift. Automatic. Shifts gears on its own using a torque converter. CVT. Continuously variable transmission. Uses belts and pulleys for smooth, step-free shifting. DCT. Dual clutch transmission. Uses two separate clutches for very fast gear changes. Industrial gearbox types. Helical. Uses angled teeth for smooth, quiet, heavy-duty work. Planetary, epicyclic. Uses a center sun gear and outer ring gear for high torque in small spaces. Worm. Uses a screw-like gear to create large speed drops at a 90-degree angle. Bevel. Uses cone-shaped gears to change shaft direction by 90 degrees. Spur. Uses straight-cut teeth on parallel shafts for basic speed changes.